students, welcome you all. I am Mrs. Sonali Bagode from Signet Public School, New Narai. Today we are going to discuss about the last minute study tips for CBSE board exams of class 10 for subject maths. Maths is considered to be one of the highest scoring subject in class 10, and there are about 60% of students who don't like the subject much. Many of us believe that to score high in maths, one should have an extraordinary brain, but this is not true. Maths is a subject which develops a logical approach in students. Last minute revision can be very effective for students to score high in maths paper, as it will help you to recall all your learning and retain vital information till the exam day. To help all class 10 students shed off their exam stress and revise their syllabus in maths, we bring here some important tips. These tips will help you to perform outstandingly in maths paper. Tip number 1, know the exam paper pattern. First of all, we will understand the topics with maximum weightage according to which the questions will be asked in the maths paper. So see here, this is unit wise weightage. Now check here the distribution of marks in exam paper pattern to formulate the right strategy to attempt the exam perfectly. See here, section first having 32 marks, in which 20 questions are there, 16 questions of 1 marks and 4 case study based questions are there. In section 2, 12 marks are there, in which 6 questions, each question is of 2 marks. Then see here section 3 having 21 marks, in which each question is of 3 marks and 7 questions are there. In section 4, each question is of 5 marks and total 3 questions are there. So section 4 having 15 marks. So this is the distribution of 80 marks in your exam paper pattern. Tip 2, maintain the separate notebook for formulae, theories and methods. This subject is all about the concept, formulae and theories, and you all are suggested to keep them handy. Revise the important formulas and theories. A day before exam, revise all the formulas carefully. To remember the formulas, use the tricks like use the hand trick to remember the trigonometry table. Be familiar with tricks to calculate faster and easier, in which like multiplication, tricks of multiplication, then quick square root. These tricks you use to remember the formulas and for fast calculation. Tip 3, prepare strategies. Prepare the questions based on trigonometry, mensuration, statistics first, as the questions of high weightage will be asked from these units. Revise all the theorems like Pythagoras theorem, basic proportionality theorem, theorem of areas of similar triangles. So it will help you to solve the examples. Prepare the questions on construction, probability and statistics, which considered as a easy and scoring part of the exam paper. One question from angle of elevation and angle of depression will be surely asked for 5 marks in your maths paper. So you will do the examples on angle of elevation and angle of depression. Tip 4, answer in steps. Whenever you go through the answer, ensure that you pay attention on steps which will help you to reach out to get the answer. You cannot simply write the answer and get the full marks in maths. So simply paying attention on figures is wastage of time. So be attentive for the steps. You will definitely secure marks for each step. Then tip 5, things considering during examination. Read the question paper thoroughly before you start to solve questions. Write the questions first for which you are having confidence. Write the answers in steps. Draw the graphs and figures whenever required as it will help you to score high. Maintain the speed and accuracy hand in hand. So students, these are some important tips which will help you for the preparation of exams to give your best performance in maths board exams. Make sure you are not afraid about the subject. Make it as a fun experience. If you prepare it for in the right way, then there is nothing to worry. So students, good luck for the exam. Thank you all.